Happy Sunday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Join me. Breathe in and out. One more. Breathe in and out. Ooh. Go ahead and hashtag your mood down below. Let me know how you are feeling. How's your spirit? How is your spirit today? I've got a lot planned today, so I want to jump on here and make sure I got this in. Today is the Ready, Set, Real Estate pool party. And just looking forward to connecting and vibing out. This is our annual, and I'm really grateful. I'm grateful. So I'm feeling warm, fuzzy, and excited. Warm, fuzzy, and excited. And I picked up a new Ready, Set, Real Estate hat just for this event. And what else? Yeah. I'm feeling good, y'all. I'm feeling good. Okay. With that being said, welcome to Shift Your Thinking, where we transform our inner experience. This is our personal development aspect of our show. This is a series, a bonus series that is happening alongside our feature show, which is Ready, Set, Real Estate. And remember, anything that I do is to support, more importantly, our youth nonprofit, Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, where we teach and empower our children ages 11 and up with real estate terms, concepts, and careers as an alternate pathway to success. All right, let's get through today. And I really like today's message. What is it costing you? What is it costing you? I was going to call it opportunity costs. Opportunity costs. But I don't want to misconstrue the definition of opportunity cost. So what is it costing you? We are on episode, I feel like I want to say 194. And let me just go to my YouTube real quick. We are on episode 194. What is it costing you? All right, I'm in the section where he says, before I jump in and say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you're new to me. My name is Lisa Puerto. I'm an active licensed California real estate professional, also known as super agent, creator and founder of many cool things, projects, books, curriculums, workshops, and so much more, y'all. I am doing a lot of positive I've been putting out, just really to empower you when it comes to real estate literacy, when it comes to growth in terms of personally and professionally. I am an agent trainer, and Ready, Set, Real Estate, we do our live events, and we do offer that online as well. So you can check out lasuperagent.com. That way you see what I'm doing. Go ahead and enter your email and hit that follow button. That way you get, notifications of, anything new we just uploaded. Like this is new now. This hat, for those of you who are listening to the radio podcast, I am speaking of my hat. I forget when I'm pointing to stuff or I'm referring to something to be mindful that you guys are listening. And thank y'all. So first and foremost, family and friends, thank you for supporting my wild ideas. Without you, there is no me. So love you, love you, love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And our radio podcast listeners, thank you guys for growing the channel with us, with us. I mean, you guys are doing it. And thank you. Because this is... shout out to Evan, who pointed this out to me. This is a way of group economics because, by supporting the show, by listening to the show, it allows us to continue to grow. More plays we have. It benefits for us to do more, grow the channel, do a lot more. All right. So what is it costing you? I'm in the section where he says the price you pay often depends on the costs you count. I like that. He says, if you have a tendency toward complacency, it's best to consider what the future holds now. He says you can avoid unnecessary problems in the future when you take uninterrupted time to count the cost of your lack of action now. What is it costing you by not taking action? Yeah, I'm glad I didn't call it opportunity cost. He says, and when I say count the cost, I mean really evaluate what is actually going to happen if you continue placing more importance on convenience versus commitment. Play out what non-action looks like and what it will mean all the way out to the end. Non-action always has an end, generally not a good one, and usually nearer or worse than we imagine. He says, whether in our marriage, career, relationships, or other areas that are in peril, it seems the norm to do a razor thin dig on the ramifications of what complacency will mean in these areas. I don't know, when I read that line, I thought of the razor phone. You guys remember when the razor phone just came out? Yo, I thought you couldn't tell me nothing. You could tell me nothing. Complacency. What is complacency costing you? It's funny because I was working on something. So I am about 3 projects behind. I'm 3 projects behind, and it's not complacency, and it's not inaction. So it's important to identify that. I'm going through my Rolodex in my mind. When am I finding where am I finding complacency and what I'm not doing or inaction? And what is happening with the delay for me is I'm honestly, I get tired. Someone said, it's okay. I was having this conversation the other day, and they said, it's okay because you're a go-getter. You're always going on the move. And that's part of my makeup as a fire sign. So I have to learn, I have to learn to do this for me to slow down. This is why Shift Your Thinking has been tremendous in my life. To go, first we were doing 25 minutes, and then I truncated it to 10 minutes. And to do 10 minutes and add breathing to it, transformative. He says, we tend to glaze over the surface of these life-impacting issues only to get distracted before any real awareness of what is coming can take root. He says, for some reason, people would rather pay the price of ignoring the costs, the loss, the pain, and the stress if things really go sideways. We fall to invite these thoughts in for a bit so we can feed in advance what it will be like, how life will be interrupted, what loss will entail, and how we and others will be affected if we don't combat comfort and get off the lazy train. He says there are areas in your life that need serious attention. These things, like cavities, will not fix themselves but will just get worse and eventually will have to be dealt with at a greater cost and pain. Consider that a bit of deep thought about these things will bring revelation. Deep revelation will keep you out of deep. Go deep. Oh my gosh. Okay. So as we wrap up today's segment, I invite you to join me today and think about ways that you are in action or you're perceiving that there's more to lose if you actually did something. Go within, and choose that one thing you have not been doing and take action. Do it now. Go ahead, go grow up. That was a Nemo line. All right, that's my time. Love you. Have a powerful, productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.